To use the TurboTax walkthrough feature, start by logging into your TurboTax account and selecting the tax return you want to work on. The walkthrough feature is a step-by-step guide that helps you navigate the tax preparation process. First, click on the Walkthrough tab, usually located at the top of the screen. This will initiate the guided tour, and TurboTax will ask you a series of questions to determine your tax situation. Answer these questions accurately, as they will help the software tailor the walkthrough to your specific needs. As you progress through the walkthrough, TurboTax will prompt you to enter your income, deductions, and credits. Be sure to have all necessary documents and information readily available, such as your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and receipts for deductions. The walkthrough feature will also ask about your personal situation, including your filing status, dependents, and any changes to your income or family situation. It is essential to answer these questions honestly and accurately, as they can impact your tax liability. TurboTax will then use this information to guide you through the tax preparation process, ensuring you take advantage of all eligible deductions and credits. The software will also perform calculations and checks for errors, helping you avoid common mistakes that can delay your refund. Throughout the walkthrough, you can always refer to the navigation menu to track your progress and jump to specific sections if needed. Additionally, TurboTax provides helpful explanations and tips along the way, explaining tax concepts and rules in plain language. Once you have completed the walkthrough, review your tax return carefully to ensure everything is accurate and complete. You can then e-file your return or print and mail it, depending on your preference. By following these steps and using the TurboTax walkthrough feature, you can confidently and efficiently prepare your tax return, maximizing your refund and minimizing your tax liability. The walkthrough feature is a valuable tool that simplifies the tax preparation process, making it easier for you to manage your taxes and focus on other important aspects of your life.